It's bedtime. You put up your video without expecting much, and the next morning, bam, 6,000 views. The next 4 hour, whoa, 19,000 views. And they just keep rolling in. And guess what? I'm about to spill the beans on how you can do this, just like the person I'm describing. Let's make your videos entertaining the easy way. Believe it or not, you don't need an insanely edited video to go viral on your niche. Too many idiots attempt the same hyper-edited style, with tons of annoying sound effects and flashy visual effects. But here's the deal. 95% of what you cram into your video is cow poop. Yup, it's just to make you feel better about your bad content. But fear not. I've got the key to fix that and get you thousands of views. Why trust me? Well, I have helped brainless people gain thousands of followers and even gotten thousands of followers myself. I've got 3 must-do for editing a viral video, and my method is 90% faster and more successful. So if you're keen on making more cash, racking up more views, and saving heaps of time, listen up. Must-do 1. Scripting is the secret sauce, making up over 90% of a good video's high retention rate. Seriously, you can make anything interesting based on how you use your words. Think about channels where people just sit and chat, like Iman Godzi or Alex Harmozy. They ace this with minimal editing. Why? Because their script game is on point. Less time faffing with useless edits, more time on a killer script. The second must-do is getting this in your head that stretching a video to hit a specific duration isn't necessary. Whether it's a 2-minute clip or a 30-second feature, the length should match its entertainment time. Here's a tip. A 10-second engaging video outperforms a 1-minute somewhat fun video when aiming for a high retention rate. Don't shortchange your audience on time. This strategy rocks because, firstly, your video becomes more digestible for today's mindless audience, considering the dwindling attention spans. Shorter videos statistically perform better. Plus, viewers stumbling upon your content might crave more if your shorter content hits the spot. Think about the last TikTok or short you binge-watched. If you were hooked throughout, chances are you wanted more. So, if you can genuinely captivate someone, regardless of time constraints, you'll rake in more views in the short and long run. Must-do 3 is often underrated but crucial for boosting your average view duration. You might think I'm kidding, but bear with me. Having a well-curated selection of background music is actually a big deal. Trust me, I've seen a ton of YouTube content, and the last thing I want is the same old, tired, overplayed, royalty-free piano beats. I'm not advocating for copyrighted music, though. Take the time to dig into YouTube Studio's audio library for that hidden gem of background music. It might seem minor, but it makes a world of difference. Remember, video editing doesn't have to be as tough as you think. Key points: scripting is vital. Avoid stretching your video, and never underestimate the impact of music on the vibe you're aiming for.